That's a good one. At the base of all the peppers. Alright, got a piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe, 2 adapters, 1 PVC to male hose end and 1 PVC to female hose end. I got an on and off valve, have some irrigation, primer and glue I already have, and I have a whole old hose end sprayer. Alright, get the primer on here. Some primer in here, some glue on here, glue in here, push it on. Just hold it for a couple seconds. Let's do the other end. Some primer on here. Here too. Glue. Whoops. And push it on. Hold it a couple seconds. And we got a little on and off valve. Put that on. This end, we put whatever hose end sprayer we want. Okay, I've got the water off. We want to turn this on, and you can hold it open with that clip, like that. Turn the water on this end. And here we go. We can adjust that spray however we want it. $2, $3 compared to 20 to 40. You can show it all right here. No leaks. There you go. Get down by the roots. There. Pretty handy, isn't it? Some jalapenos and serranos, basil, cayenne. That's a good one.